Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera flash notification on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on accessibility. Then tap on advanced settings. Next, go down and tap on flash notifications, and then tap on camera flash notifications. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If you turn it on, you can tap on the left hand side panel, and in here you can go down the list and select which apps you want to allow or don't allow to use the camera flash notifications. So select on an option. So let's say if I don't want Maps to use the flash notification, I can tap on the button to switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.